Alrighty then, I have a feeling I know what is in here, but let's just find out together, shall we? Now this is interesting. You don't usually see this tucked in here like this. Interesting, interesting. Aha! It is the continuation of something else. So, let's bring it down a little bit. Got this nice packing here. Might make it easy to lift out. Yes, indeed. Okay, so there's one box inside another box. Yes, yes, this is what I thought indeed. Well, that's a lot of time spent just with the box. Oh boy, from the side it looks so nice. Okay, okay. Okay, now, you know, it was hard to see from online what this was going to look like, but, you know, it's thicker than I imagined. It's sturdier looking, and quite frankly, I like these little slats how you see here. So, here we go. Oh, yes, let's bring it in. So it looks like we would put the bottles in here. Of course, I put the bottles away already. So you flip that up. Oh, that is nice and thick, yeah. Yeah. Wait, how do you... Oh, okay, you just take that right off. Now, this is interesting. I thought there was, like, this white down here. Now, I've got to find out how many this will hold. Oh, this comes right out. Okay, so... Now, this is interesting. That they would have this divider not in it. How did that get moved? This looks like it should go here. Maybe they want you to feel like you're building something yourself. Yeah, that's okay. Whereas if I had to spend 5 hours at that, I would not be so thrilled. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh boy. You know, somebody said this could hold your whole diamond kit. I'm beginning to wonder if it really could. Okay, same thing down here. Yes, yes. This is that larger bamboo box. That is very nice. I believe it is $55. Oh, this would be so nice for the holidays, you know. And this thing, someone was worried that they would, you know. Now that's odd. I wonder what that little bit's back there for. But anyway, someone was worried they would, you know, pop this thing off. Well, it looks like you could screw it back on. Seems, you know, sturdier than I thought, than I imagined. So that looks pretty good to me. Nice that you could probably interchange these. You flip this one up and there you go. Apparently, roller bottles. Oh no, these I think are for the smaller 5 milliliters, and these are the bigger ones, if I understand correctly. Well, I'll have to do some exploring, but you know, it's really quite nice. Quite nice indeed. I think I recommend.